no copyright claims. I don't own the rights to this music that you can't hear. I know I need to work on after I should have left it over there. After channeling a fish. Come on, y'all know channeling is the same as tuning. Tuning. It's the same as tuning into a vibration. I say channeling. Oh, well, wait. I keep forgetting a lot of you have, oh, so I forgot. Oh my God, I forgot so many. I woke up, I can actually just say tuning into the vibration of. Okay. But usually I'll say channeling. I know that's mystic and they want to kill witches for that shit, but that's what it was called at first for me when I wanted to give it a name. Channeling, yeah. Into whoever's energy. It doesn't matter what form. They still have a body like us or if they're in spirit form. So, I didn't really do too much. But after Osane and Shango, I don't know. The back, they said